Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Friday. Although we are approaching the end of September, we're still experiencing winter cold fronts in the Western and Northern Cape. The first cold front made landfall in the early morning hours of Friday, causing a wet start to the day. Meanwhile, strong winds are likely this afternoon over the southern and central interior, while a band of clouds will cause showers and thunder showers over the eastern parts of South Africa. Bergwind conditions in the Lowveld will lead to maximums in the upper 30s and even the lower 40s this afternoon. The South African Weather Service also warns against gale force winds. That's between Cape Agulhas and East London, where average wind speeds can exceed 65 kilometers per hour. High seas are likely in a similar area, more specifically between Slunkop along the Cape Peninsula and the K River mouth just to the east of East London, where wave heights will exceed 6 meters. Let's take a look at the rain forecast. Isolated thunderstorms are likely over the eastern interior, fairly large area, while showers will start to clear from the west. We're also expecting a 60% chance of showers, mainly in the mountainous regions of the southwestern Cape, with a lower risk of rain as far north as Springbok in the northern Cape. Daytime temperatures in the mid-30s in Polokwane and Bombela. Maximums could exceed 40 degrees in parts of the Lowveld today. It's going to be cooler than that in Johannesburg with a maximum of 30 degrees. A warm afternoon in Bloemfontein with a high of 26, and maximum temperatures will be reached early on along the east coast. East London with a high of 26 before strong southwesterlies take over, with a cold afternoon in Sutherland and Springbok, temperatures in the lower teens. Taking a look at our coastal forecast for today, southwesterly winds likely along the west coast, wind speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour in Alexander Bay. Stronger winds further south, but we're expecting the open ocean swell to build up to 4.5 meters. Wave heights could exceed that, especially along the Cape Peninsula and the Overberg coastline, reaching 6 meters this afternoon. Wind speeds are 50 kilometers per hour in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas, but further east there's a warning for gale force winds. Wind speeds averaging at 60 to 65 kilometers per hour in the vicinity of Algoa Bay, and there's an open ocean swell that will reach 7 meters this afternoon. Finally, along the east coast, as I mentioned, maximum temperatures reached early on. It's going to be a mostly cloudy day. Southwesterlies will come through this afternoon and cool things off, while the northeasterlies will persist in Richards Bay, wind speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour. An open ocean swell can reach 6 meters later today, especially along the Wild Coast, but average sea state of 1.5 meters along the KZN coastline.
News that moves. eNCA.com.